all new at 6 now. A series of I-Team investigations into Florida's broken guardianship program are getting attention from Governor Ron DeSantis tonight.
Investigator Adam Walser has been leading the charge on this issue. And Adam, the governor is vowing to take action now to protect Florida's seniors.
That's right, Jameson. Tonight, the governor vowing to fix the state program aimed at caring for seniors who can no longer care for themselves. The announcement coming after we reported yesterday that the head of the state watchdog agency overseeing professional guardians abruptly resigned.
We'll take whatever action we need to, and as we look at this guardianship program,
Governor Ron DeSantis vowing to reform guardianship in Florida as new evidence emerges previous attempts to fix the broken system failed.
we were obviously concerned with some of the reports.
Professional guardian Rebecca Furley ordered to appear in Hillsborough County Court today after an Orange County judge removed her from 98 guardianship cases.
I set this hearing, as I'm sure you can assume, because I found out what was happening over in Orlando.
In May, Furley ordered Stephen Stryker's feeding tube removed and issued a do not resuscitate order, despite protests from doctors. Stryker choked to death days later at St. Joseph's Hospital.
Do you have anything to say to his family?
We are now learning Carol Berkowitz, executive director of the Office of Public and Professional Guardians, stepped down without explanation the same day the I-Team reported on Stryker's death. The governor reacting back in February after the I-Team reported that office, meant to oversee 550 professional guardians, opened 132 investigations, but had not removed a single guardian in a 2-year period.
And I think that you've had over 130 some cases and nothing has happened to anybody. That just doesn't strike me as being acceptable.
Among the cases reported to that office, a local realtor asking a court to put a hotel owner she barely knows into guardianship, and a guardian who took a wedding ring off an 85-year-old widow's finger before putting her into a nursing home. Rebecca Furley, who has more than 450 people under her care in 13 counties, received 2 warning letters from the state, but continued to get new cases.
Can you really care for hundreds of wards? That's what you've been assigned by the court. Hundreds of people. Can you care for all of them? I think that there's going to be action taken, whether it's administratively or legislative or a combination, because I think something needs to be done.
The governor says he's giving his agency 6 months to investigate guardianship and come back with recommendations. He says he hopes to have some concrete answers to fix the problems by early next year. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.
Adam, thank you. And you can see Adam's most recent investigations into the guardianship program. We've gathered them together on our streaming platforms under the I-Team heading.